We're trying our best to ensure that all the townships have access to water, sewer, all that. But for you to be able to do that, you need data connect, able to support those decisions.
It's a challenge for us to actually extend basic services that the local authority serves a formal town. So in terms of like water, electricity, it's more of a challenge, and it's the cost that comes with it, the cost implications are quite high.
The main issue is the issue of having the data to be able to report on. So currently everything is paper-based, and when you have to report, then you have to go back to the files and find this information.
UNITAC has been collaborating with Namibia in different ways to advance just transition and climate resilience. This involves, for example, developing a smart city strategy to the city of Windhoek, providing digital tools as the digital job card, and also capacity building. So we have been working very close with different towns and cities in Namibia, and we are very happy with this collaboration.
The current paper workflow is very challenging. It's really frustrating, especially the customers. You will find the Office of the CEO have given an assignment to a certain department, and when the client comes to follow up on his request, you will find that this paper is nowhere to be found. Then we have to go back to the clients. Can you give us your copy and all of those things? It's very frustrating.
People usually take a paper from the cabinet, fill it in, give the supervisor hand it over to the artisans or foreman or whoever is responsible, and the job is fixed, and they return it and the signatures. That kind of process actually works. However, as time goes by, one can actually find it very difficult to look back and say, I'm looking for job card number 5, where is it? But with a digital process, one is able to actually have a database aggregation of all the digital job cards that have been captured over the years, and one is able to go in that specific database, visualize it, see who was assigned to, is it complete, is it pending, and where specifically is the issue on the ground.
The challenges what we are facing, it's especially the headmen and artisan, for them just to write is very difficult. And some of the papers, their filing is not proper. And sometimes you are also going to find out that due to these improper filings, some of the documents they are missing.
The digital job card is a tool designed to support different town councils in terms of their data management workflows, but also supporting the work they do. And it focuses on transforming the processes that were done previously using paper forms and a tray, and transforming those processes into a digital format.
The components for the digital job carding, there are 4. Number 1 is for data collection, which is for people who are in the field. Number 2 is for the administrator who are receiving the data from the field. Number 3 is for data visualization. And number 4 is notifications for those who are receiving the job cards. We chose to use Kobo Toolbox as a foundation for data collection because the towns you are dealing with in remote areas, you're talking about a lack of Wi-Fi, data, or internet. Kobo Toolbox is an open source software recognized by a lot of NGOs for collecting data in remote areas and constrained environments. In environments where there is lack of internet or connectivity, one is able to collect data on the ground while they are offline. And once they have connectivity, they can now synchronize such data set. And that's the power of Kobo Toolbox.
Digital job cards, it will really improve our operation because it will be very efficient and effective. And also in terms of reporting, it will be also clear reporting actual information.
I think the job card will change the system of our working. The way we are doing things, I hope is just going to change. If we digitalize our job card, I think it will be easier for my supervisor just to see what I'm doing, the CEO to see what I'm doing. Then it will be more transparent.
It will shorten the process. I think it will bring a lot of efficiency. in terms of recording the right time when the work has started, when the work has completed. And also, since there's an option to take pictures, it also gives us really information of what's happening on the ground, because we're able to see the picture that's taken before the work is done and then the picture afterwards. So we are able, sitting in the office, we're already able to say what was completed visually.
The job card can be scaled in other towns quite easily. It's a tool that's designed to work at the pace that the town is at. So if the town has a certain business process in one department and a different in another, it can easily adopt the tool for just one at a time and make improvements and customize the tool just for their needs. So in some towns, only the water department, for example, is testing out the tool, and maybe that's all they need for now. In other towns, every division, water, roads, electricity, everyone is using the job card and testing out, and it can really scale that way, working at the town's readiness where they are at.